Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about the Kevyn Aucoin Sculpt and Define Contour book and why it's the only thing I'm bringing with me when I'm traveling. So everything I need is right here. I've got 2 powders, I've got a cool contour, a warm bronze that I can use as a bronzer or a contour, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters. So let me show you how it works. First, and I absolutely love a cool contour. It doesn't look like a bronzer. It totally sculpts. And for those of you that are makeup artists, you know Kevyn is the one who started the whole thing with contouring. Long before Kim K and her makeup artists were even thought of, Kevyn was contouring and transforming faces in the 90s. And he is the reason I became a makeup artist. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that cool tone right underneath your cheekbone. Now, I don't like to bring it all the way down. I feel like that kind of makes my face point downward more. I do want to get it into my hairline. And then we're going to just strengthen that jawline with it. Same thing on the other side. And maybe a little tiny touch down the nose. And blend that all in. I'm going to take my blush and go in with that right here. That's beautiful. The highlighter and just placing that right here and a little here. Okay, now I'm going in with this darker powder and I'm just gonna put that right in here as my base for my shadow. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that bronze and just pack it in right over here. I'm giving myself just a little bit of a crease that I don't have because I have hooded eyes. I'm taking that highlighter and packing that right in here. Maybe just a touch on the brow bone. With that cooler contour color, I just add a little definition under the eyes. This is going to give me just a more awake feeling while still looking really natural. That's it. That's the final look. This is all I need. These for my eyes. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you would wear this. Go and check out Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. I'm going to leave all the info in my bio. Thanks so much for watching.